How do I do that? I need a server available. So here's my server. But is one server enough? No, I need 2 servers. Then I need a load balancer in front of it. Then I need to run my code. We're obviously going to use Node.js. And then I need them to always be available. I need maybe auto-scaling around them so that if more of them are arriving, I'm going to need maybe Route 53 out there to be able to go to that page and send the traffic towards my ALD. And then the server are going to do all of the work, but here's the problem though. I realize that's not a great color. I like that, it looks good. So the problem with this is your okay. So the issue with this deployment is now that the image are inside of one server. So if I want those images, those thumbnails to be available for more than that, now am I going to go and use maybe S3, maybe EFS, maybe FSX? I don't know. You're going to have to figure out which one to go and use. So, but now I will need to pay for those services that are in the back end, pay for the load balancer by the hour, pay for the servers by the second, and I need 2 of them. Like, that starts to be a little bit more difficult. Instead, let's look at a different architecture. S3. You can allow people to put object in there, upload the picture. Then, when the picture arrives in S3, it will automatically notify Lambda, which will run your code using some permissions. It will go fetch the big picture and send it into your target bucket. And then now you have your resized picture. All you need now is a website, or running it still in S3, that lists everything that is inside of S3. So it makes it a little bit easier. And then now what do you pay for? Well, the data transfer and the Lambda running every time that there's a new picture. If no one uses your thumbnail generator website for a while, you're not paying for anything. How about we go do that now? So, let me go back to my console. Still going, oh, now that I think of it, before I do that, let me try to refresh this page. I have 6 EC2 instances in there, right? There's 7 of them right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus the web server. So yeah, it's running hot. So I'm going to kill it off. Okay? So I killed off the script. Later on, I'll come back, and then these will all have disappeared. I'll be back with 2. In fact, it will kill the older ones. You get rid of the old stuff before the newer. But if you want to flip that over and say kill the newer before the older, sure, you can flip that if you want to. I didn't. So let's go inside of, first thing is we're going to go and create the S3 buckets that we are going to use for this application. So I'll create 2 S3 buckets. So create a bucket, we call that John Dion and image, or John Dion images. There we go. And create that bucket, which by the way has no permissions, no one can go and write to it or do anything unless they're authenticated. I'll create yet another bucket and call it John Dion images resized. The code automatically just appends resize to it when I generated that before. So these are my 2 buckets. Great. Now how do I get images dropped and John Dion images to be dropped and to be generated and a thumbnail generated and then put it inside of the resize one? Lambda. So let's go in Lambda. Create a function. Author from scratch, function name, create thumbnails. My application is running in Node 8. There we go. Choose an execution role. I will come back to this once we go into security, but currently I'm providing permissions for Lambda to be able, Lambda, the service, and my function code to be able to go get data from the first S3 bucket and put data in the other S3 bucket. That's what I'm providing as this role here. So I'll create this function. And then the next step is I'll arrive inside of this beautiful console right there. And I need to code. Luckily for you, I'm not going to make you go through me coding for a while, because that will take a little bit of a while. I'm going to use this lambda zip package that I have right there. Save it, and here is the code. I'm using two modules, GM and an async, to be able to create my the resized image. If you want that code, it's on our tutorial. So I really haven't coded that. But this allows me to create it will get the file, it will resize the file a little bit more down here. So get the object based on the response, resize it, and then finally it will upload the file towards the other S3 bucket on the resize side. So next thing that I also need is, by default, the timeout is 3 seconds. I need this timeout to be a little bit higher. It takes a little bit more than 3 seconds to run. But this timeout allows you to say how long you want your lambda function to run. And then now here's the downside of lambda, because I love that for the end. Lambda can only run, a single function can only run for a maximum of 15 minutes. 15 minutes is a long time for a web request for it to run down there. But if you think about batch processing, maybe not that much. Next thing, in Lambda, you have this memory thing down there. It goes from 128 to 3 gigs. That's the amount of RAM that you provide to your Lambda function. The more RAM you provide, the more CPU power you also have. The more CPU power you have, the faster your function can run, depending on the language, depending on the code. But you pay more per 100 millisecond. So, if I pay more per 100 millisecond, but I finish the code faster, which one's better? I don't have an answer. You're going to have to figure that one out on your own with your code. Figure out which one of these dials will be better for your code, for what you're trying to use. I can tell you that as soon as you go above 1.5 gigs of RAM, you get 2 vCPUs. So if you're taking advantage of multi-threading, then that will be a good idea. At least above 1.5, but this is completely up to you how you want to go do that. So, now I have done that, I need to add a trigger. I need to say, S3, when you receive something in the John Dion images bucket, all object create events. Enable the trigger. And I say, that's it. I've now just said that if an image gets dropped in S3, call my lambda function. What does the lambda function does? Gets the file, transform the file, drop it inside of the other bucket. Let's go and see if that works. S3 again. We'll go on this bucket, upload, add a file, face, and upload. So I've uploaded this file. I'm going to double click on it. When I double click, it actually adds a token up there. So he's really happy. Now if I go inside of the other bucket, I have a resize that face. And here it is. So I don't have to pay for anything right now because it's completely stopped. I just pay for the storages right here, and I only will only pay when the function runs. So that's the goal of serverless. Now, will a serverless function running constantly be cheaper than an EC2 instance? No, it will not. So it's not everything that moves to serverless, like I said before. You have to pick your battle, pick the right tool for the job. Right? So, it's more work for you, I guess. Okay, next service.